Good morning, traders. Manny Cabrera here, co-founder of MDC Trading Academy, with today's pre-market forecast for Monday, March the 22nd. We're also going to preview the week of trading. Let's quickly jump to our news items this morning. As we can see, the Fed chairman is the key player in this week's information, beginning today at 9 o'clock as he speaks. Also at 10 o'clock on Tuesday. Also on Wednesday, he's testifying. So he's going to play a very prominent position in our markets this week. So be very careful for that. Of course, we do have Wednesday at 9:45 flash manufacturing, and we have the the final GDP as of Thursday. We're expecting it to be a modest 4.1%. We'll see how it goes there. But Mr. Powell is the man this week. We got to keep an eye on what's coming out of his mouth. Now, as far as trading, here's our daily chart. As we can see, here comes the 20 SMA, also playing a prominent role in our technical analysis as we're returning to it once again. We held on Friday. We're above it today, but that's the key level there. There's our key resistance, as I mentioned, support. Our key resistance obviously up here at our all-time high at 39.7850. ATR is holding steadily at 63, and our average volume is at 1.4 million. A lot of volume and some pretty decent movement. Let's look deeper behind these numbers as we look at where the market is. Remember, we had drawn this Fibonacci retracement for the swing low here to the swing intraday high, ultimate high, all-time high. And we talked about this particular area here was going to be very key. Was the market going to hold here, support as it did here, and continue higher, or clearly break through and find support at this lower level here? It didn't make it all the way down here, but look at the 38% retracement. It nailed it to the tick there, and it bounced above it, right back into the support, the resistance area, former support area, now it's resistance area, and we broke clearly above this trend line here. Here's where we find ourselves right now, obviously testing this support, the resistance level here as we speak. But again, we don't make decisions based on these time frames. We're just gleaning information in order to get to our analysis chart. Here's where we start getting closer to our trading. Here's the market clearly between the intraday high and low of the previous day on Friday. Here's a trend line which the market was respected. Market clearly breaks above it, holds it as support, and here's one of our scenarios. Our market can hold support and try to move higher into these levels here, potentially even higher than this, or do exactly what it's doing now, move lower behind this trend line. You want to use it once again as resistance and potentially move lower. So those are the areas that we're looking at today. This is our confirmation of higher move, and obviously any break below this line here, we're expecting the market to continually go lower. So those are the plays for today. Take care and have a great trading session.